How to run Google Chrome automatically when Windows 10 start. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, in your this, open run and then search for write for cell colon share colon startup, enter, and this will open over here. Make it small and then drag down this Google Chrome over here, and yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you with